This week EURUSD has reached even more down, the price level around 1.08846, a support level that was mentioned 3 weeks ago when the last analysis was done. So we can see that this Monday, the candle has closed below this critical level 1.093, which is also below 1.095, which was also mentioned in the previous week analysis as a very important level, because we can see these candles also have stopped around this price level. On a Monday, when the price has reached 1.0846, a strong support, it has bounced back up, reaching again around 1.095, confirming this previous support now as a resistance, and then the price continued to move down on a Wednesday, Thursday, and also on a Friday, reaching 1.0845 price level. We can see that the lowest level that the price could go is 1.08338, which is also close to 1.0825, a critical level for the price, but we can see that the price is currently around the demand zone, around where the buys are, but as it looks right now, there are no too much buyers that are much stronger than the sellers, because the sellers are pushing the price even more and more down. If we go to the weekly time frame, we will see what's happening. The last 5 weeks is completely bearish one, so we can make a conclusion that is the bullish momentum that has took the price up to here 1.127 price level has lost their strength, and now we are in the bearish mode. And we can see that this week, after the week has ended, the previous one has ended in between this currently resistance and this one support, the prices continue to move down, even reaching the next one support, which is here 1.08846, and we can see also this area where the price has stopped, which is also very critical on the weekly time frame. If we go to the monthly time frame, we can see that the previous month has ended here. As it was mentioned, the price could not reach 30 pips more and closing above, which would continue this bullish momentum, but the price has just stopped here at 1.09860 price level, a support, confidence support, and for the last 3 weeks we can see that the price has bounced back up, trying to reach again higher price levels, but then it has completely reversed back down, reaching the first support, which was here 1.09 price level, and then the second one and also the third one. The second one is here 1.085 price level, 86 price level, and the next one is still not reached 1.08372, which is very close to this. We can see it. So what we can expect this month, because we have 2 more weeks until the month ends, but as it looks right now, there is no bullish momentum right here available, at least on a monthly time frame, which is very hard to make a conclusion, but we can make a conclusion that on the monthly time frame the price is bouncing between these 2 price levels. We can see that the price is going from here to here and is bouncing for the last 4 months. So we can expect also that this month, the 5th one, is inside this incision area between 1.07825 and also 1.09860 roughly, but we can see that the price is extending up to here and also up to here. So it is a wide area for the price on a monthly time frame, which means if we want to see much more clear information and also scenario how the market will look, we should go to the weekly and also daily time frame. But for now, as it looks on a monthly time frame, if the price stays above 1.0836, it will mean that price will bounce around this area between 1.083 and also 1.09 price level. But if it continues down, which is also easily reachable, it will go also down here to 1.07825. So let's go to the weekly time frame and see how this looks, which has a much more clear information. After the 5 weeks, which were ended as a bearish one, we can see also the 2 weeks ago there was a bullish pin bar, I have not made the analysis that week, but it is a bullish pin bar that was on the right spot. We can see that the price has reached this confluence of support where we have a monthly support, we have here monthly support, and it is a demand zone, and also the pin bar is formed very nicely. So this would be a signal for me that the price will continue to move up and it would reverse. But we can see that the price has reversed back up, reaching 1.10755 area around this, which is a supply zone, and then the price returned back down, making this pin bar as an invalid one, and the price then moved even further down. As it looks right now, the price is stopped just on the bottom of this demand zone, which is also a signal for me that there is a stronger selling pressure, and I am expecting that the price will continue to move down. The first level is 1.0083, which I have mentioned. That is also a critical one, but we can see that this price level is in between this is resistance currently and this support level. So the price is stopped here. So we can see that in the previous week where the prices was going down, the prices reached this price level 1.0844. Then the prices reversed back up and then continue to move down. In this attempt, when the price was moving down, we can see that the prices reached this price level 1.0834, and then the price moved up and then continued to move down, reaching this area around 1.07825, which is next a demand zone and also great support, and we can see it is a monthly support. So as it looks right now on the weekly time frame, I am expecting that the price will continue to move down, first at 1.083 price level, and then after that the first one is here, start of this demand zone 1.08. We can see that on the weekly time frame, whenever the prices come to this price level here, we can see that the prices reach at this price level 1.079, we can see it 1.075, and also in this case it is also 1.076. So my goal is for the next week that I'm expecting, and also for the next 2 weeks, I'm expecting that the price will continue to move down. So if I go to the monthly time frame and make a conclusion based on the weekly time frame, the next one, the price level is around this 1.083 price level, and after that it is around 1.0779, and also here 7825. So let's go to the daily time frame. Just to mention the weekly time frame for the bulls, if they want to move the price to the higher price levels, the price needs to go above this 1.092 price level. We can see that it is critical level here where the small support and the resistance confluence was, and also we can see it here. It is very hard, also the price level for the price that needs to be broken to the upside, but is also close to the high confluence of resistance currently, because we can see it here. It will be very hard for the bulls to push the price on a high price levels, but anything can happen because this is technical analysis that is based on what we can see it on the chart. So let's go to the daily time frame and see how this looks here. We can see that the price has, after the breaking below this one, 1.093, the prices continue to move down and it's reached this demand zone. And we can see that price has reached even more down below this demand zone, and we can see the lowest price levels is around 1.0833. So based on the weekly analysis, I am expecting also that the price will reach this price level, and we'll see what happens then, because we can see in the past attempt when the price was going up, after the making retrace, the price has reached this price level 3 times. But in this case, the price is going down, it's not moving up, so we are in the selling pressure, so we can expect that the price will continue to move more down easily than it was here in the bullish mode. And that was scenario like this one here. So when the price was going down, when the price has reached this price level here, we can see the price has reached 1.08452, and then price reversed slightly back up, then confirming this breakout on this demand zone, and it has becoming a supply zone where the price has moved down. So we can see that the price in that attempt has reached this price level. Sorry, the first one has closed here, 1.083. I have mentioned that the price will probably reach, and then the price has reached this one, 1.08 price level, and then after that 1.076. So we can see based on the weekly analysis and also now currently daily analysis, we can expect that the price will continue to move down if it stays below first touching 1.083 price level. If the price stays below that level, it means it will go down, reaching 1.07825 demand zone here. If the price goes above, which is also very important, so there is a possibility that the price will make small fall down to 83, so 1.083, and then making a reverse back up, confirming this breakout, and then forming some kind of a signal like here. We can see the bearish pin bar, and then continue to move down, reaching 1.08 and also 1.076 price level. If the price completely reverses back up, and that means if the price goes here, it will be in the sideways moving, because it will be very hard to break above this confluence of supply, because we can see a strong signals here. A strong bearish pin bar has been formed 2 weeks ago, so it's very hard for the price to break above, but anything can happen. But until that happens, I'm expecting that the price will continue to move down, making a retrace and then fall down to 1.07825. So this is what I'm expecting in the next week or the next 2 weeks, unless I see completely some kind of strong bullish move up and moving to the sideways here. So let's see what happens next week, but for now I am completely bearish because of this market overview, and the market, you can see it here in the daily downtrend, and also this channel that is suggesting where the price could move and also follow the price.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading!